Hey guys, it's Jordan here from Coin Bureau Trading. This is a video on the Midnight Network, as this is something I think is highly important to place our attention on and properly explore. Make sure you watch until the end to get all of the important info. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's get into it. Make sure you are taking advantage of our WEEX campaign by using this QR code. The Midnight Network is a new privacy-focused Layer 1 blockchain built as a Cardano sidechain that uses zero-knowledge cryptography to offer programmable selective privacy for decentralized applications, allowing sensitive data to remain private while still enabling verifiable transactions. It is designed for regulated industries like finance and healthcare, providing a platform for confidential data handling with familiar tools like TypeScript and using the tokens Night and Dust for governance and transaction fees, aiming to make privacy a practical feature, not just an obfuscation tool. I know this sounds confusing, but we are going to break it down into simple terms today. The key features and concepts are programmable privacy. Unlike privacy coins hiding all data, Midnight lets developers selectively disclose information, proving facts without revealing the underlying data using zero-knowledge proofs. Privacy infrastructure. It acts as a privacy layer that can work with other blockchains supporting interoperability. Selective disclosure. Users and apps can prove things, for example, I'm over 18, without revealing the actual private data, example, the birth date. The tech stack. Midnight uses ZK snarks and a TypeScript-based language called Compact for smart contracts, making it accessible. The tokenomics. Midnight features the native Night token for governance and rewards, and a resource token called Dust for transaction fees with a unique, non-transferable model. We are going to go deeper into the tokenomics shortly. The purpose. To enable privacy-preserving dApps for real-world use cases like identity management, private commerce, and compliant financial services. Who is behind it? Midnight is developed by Input Output, IOHK, and stewarded by the independent Midnight Foundation. It is important to note here, on the 22nd of December, the Night token recorded an 8 billion in trading volume within 24 hours. This made it the fourth most traded cryptocurrency globally, and it was even higher than XRP and Solana combined. So already we can see that this is something game-changing and something to take note of. Looking at the tokenomics, we can already see that the market cap is above 1 billion, which technically makes it a medium cap token and something that I'm interested in trading. We can see that at the time of recording, the current volume per 24 hours is sitting around 1.8 billion. And we can see that the holder number is still relatively low at 6.59 thousand. Then important to note, we do see a total supply and we do see a max supply, meaning that only 24 billion Night tokens can be created. This is a very positive sign, as it means that there is a level of scarcity involved in how the token functions, and it cannot be minted at will past this level, making it in essence deflationary rather than inflationary. Already 69% of the max supply is in circulation at 16.6 billion Night. Already to me it's looking really good because Cardano is and has been for many years one of my top tokens given its functioning as a DAO and all of its real-life fundamental use cases that it offers. Here we can see that Midnight is currently active on most of the major centralized exchanges already, and there are 73 exchanges currently listing this token. The current highest volume is on Binance Alpha at 1.5 billion per 24 hours. We can also see that there is lots of news hype around this token, and there are also some yield providers currently already offering staking capabilities on the Night tokens such as Bybit and KuCoin. This is the only part for me that looks a little bit fishy. I want to believe in this token because I believe in Cardano and I do believe in Charles Hoskinson. But what we see here are that the top 10 holders of this token are holding 92% of the supply. And this really is a bad sign, as this means that 92% of the power is placed in the top 10 wallets. Personally, I want to believe that these top 10 wallet holders are good people and they will not rug or dump the token. But of course, these are human beings and anything can happen. That being said, of course, we are looking at a token created by the co-founder of Ethereum and Cardano, a very brilliant man in the space that has already achieved a lot of success. And we can see several core innovations: programmable privacy, regulatory compliance, developer accessibility, composability, fee abstraction, selective disclosure in zero-knowledge circuits. Please go deeper into this on your own and do your own research before investing or trading. This is not financial advice in any way to go and buy this token, but this is me giving it to you as something that I think is worth taking a look at. Looking at the 4-hour derivatives chart on Bybit, we can see a nice upward sloping market structure, and although this token is relatively newly listed on this platform, we are starting to get some interesting information on our indicator. Here we can see our upward sloping parallel channel, which is already something starting to be tradable. Our previous market cipher trigger wave did give us an amazing trade. We saw money flow coming down, we saw VWAP cross, we saw our red trigger wave way above the 45-degree line, and from anywhere in this candle, we saw a very nice trade to the downside of around 27%. At the time of recording, we are currently sitting at support for the token at the bottom of this parallel channel, and we are looking like at some point we might print a green dot here on market cipher as a trigger wave below the 45 line, as long as VWAP does cross and money flow continues to point in an upwards direction. This is a chart that I'm going to keep my eyes on, and I will keep you updated on the technical analysis. It's also something that I'm going to do more research on and possibly think about adding it to my DCA accumulation portfolio. If you have any interesting insights on Midnight Network, please drop it in the comments. Very important for everybody to take note of is our new campaign with WEEX. And really, it is very easy. WEEX is making it super easy for us. For the first $50 futures trading bonus, all you have to do is deposit $100 and trade a $10,000 volume. A $10,000 volume might seem like a lot, but actually it's really easy to achieve by using leverage. You can then also see that you can earn another $80 trading bonus simply by depositing $500 and reaching a $20,000 volume. This also then goes up for those traders who have access to higher margin to deposit $1,000, reach $100,000 in volume, and receive a $100 trading bonus. If you are a futures trader hitting higher volumes, you can see here that if you hit a $10 million volume, you can claim a $1,000 USDT bonus, right up to a $12,000 in total if you manage to climb the ranks of all of these volume levels.